He was leading us here, to use as a diversion so that he could steal their dragon. How did I fall for that?
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... what? Okay. Ah. Yeah. Woo!
Oh,
Yeah!
To be in love with a girl who is your partner in battle? Whew. Not sure how I would balance such a precarious situation. It can certainly cloud the mind, impair judgment, make even the simplest decisions vexing.
You know what's vexing, Viggo? Is why you're rambling on trying to get inside my head. I would think that by now, you'd have given up. You see, I'm focused, I'm clear, decisive. What I am not is your friend, your ally, your maces and talons buddy. Okay, so let's leave our personal lives out of this and just get down to business. Oh. Astrid! Oh! Are you okay?
I'm fine. We should probably get going?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna get going. You stay here, bud. If he makes a move, you know what to do. I think you're missing a piece.
You came. I'm surprised.
No, you're not. Otherwise, you wouldn't be sitting in a field of flowers that are poisonous to dragons.
A man has to take precautions. I noticed you arrived with friends.
Like you said, precautions. Look, what do you want, Viggo?
To compliment you, Hiccup.
Just because you can't see doesn't mean you're helpless.
But that's exactly how I feel.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Do you hear that?
There's gotta be something. All right, pick that up. Huh? Wait, you might actually be onto something. Fishlegs, what would happen if we mixed Death Song Amber with Gronkle Iron?
You mean the very same Death Song Amber that withstood the pressure of water hundreds of feet below the surface of the ocean?
That's the one!
Mixing the exact quantities of all the ingredients will be key, so it doesn't set off a negative chemical reaction.
Hiccup! Don't even think about it.
Come now. Are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
Wow, Viggo. Well, I guess when you put it that way... No, I'm not!
No!
Why don't you look after your new best friend there? Where's the fun in that? It's not supposed to be fun. And I don't care how scary he is, do not let him out of your sight again.
Can you imagine the pain of betrayal, Hiccup?
I can. Ah! What?
I liked your fire sword so much I made my own. With improvements, of course. I only want to talk.
There's nothing to talk about!
Please! If you just... Enough!
What the?
This is pointless.
You sure you're feeling okay?
I'm fine, Hiccup. You can stop worrying about me now.
Oh, I never stop worrying about you. That's just the way it is.
Yeah. I guess that goes for me, too.
Hey.
Can I ask you something?
Jeff, sure.
Back in the forest when we were, well, you know.
Yeah?
Were you about to...
Oh, so you felt that, huh? I maybe got away with it.
Well, why didn't you?
Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. And I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect.
This seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess it does.